This is Sheikh Habeeba Sultana, Research Scholar, Department of Education, Acharya Nagarjuna University. It is both an honor and a privilege to stand before you today at this esteemed gathering, the UGC-sponsored National Seminar on Educational Perspectives and Role of Teacher Educators in India. This seminar is a crucial platform to deliberate on the evolving role of teacher educators in shaping the future of education in our country. Education has always been the foundation of any progressive society, and within this system, teacher educators play an indispensable role. They are the architects who design and refine the skills, knowledge, and values of future teachers. In the 21st century, with rapid technological advancements, globalization, and evolving learning needs, the responsibilities of teacher educators have expanded significantly. Education in India has undergone a paradigm shift, particularly with the implementation of the National Education Policy NEP 2020. It emphasizes competency-based learning, holistic development, and the integration of digital tools in education. Teacher educators must now adapt to new teaching methodologies, encourage innovation, and prepare future teachers for a dynamic classroom environment. Furthermore, the rise of technology-driven learning has refined the traditional classroom setup. Digital platforms, artificial learning, artificial intelligence, and online education have transformed the way students learn. In such an era, teacher educators must equip aspiring teachers with technological literacy and innovative pedagogical skills to enhance students' engagement and learning outcomes. Despite their critical role, teacher educators in India face several challenges: shortage of qualified faculty, inadequate research and innovation, limited professional development, resistance to change, lack of infrastructure and resources. To address the challenges, teacher educators must adopt a multifaceted approach, promoting pedagogical innovations, integrating technology in education, strengthening research and policy advocacy, fostering collaborative learning, enhancing professional development. One of the most significant responsibilities of teacher educators is to bridge the gap between theoretical knowledge and practical classroom application. A teacher who only understands theories without practical implementation will struggle in real classroom scenarios. Therefore, teacher education programs must focus on experiential learning, micro-teaching sessions, enhanced inclusive education strategies to cater to diverse learning needs. Teacher educators are the pillars of the education system. Their impact extends beyond classrooms, influencing the quality of future generations. As we move forward in this transformative era, it is imperative that we empower our teacher educators with the necessary tools, training, and support to build an education system that is innovative, inclusive, and future ready. I urge all of us to collaborate, innovate, and contribute towards shaping a progressive and sustainable education system for India. Let this seminar serve as a catalyst for meaningful discussions and constructive policy recommendations. Thank you. Now I hand over the